Okay, this is about what's the relationship between perimeter and area. And I took an example that we had in class. So we'll go fast with this. If you remember, we had this one in class. We did the extrapolation that this scale factor is a scale factor of 3. So I took that example again. But we're going to analyze what happens with the areas and perimeter. And let's start with perimeter first. We should know perimeter is distance around. Perimeter is distance all around an object. We walked around the object. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's just adding up all the sides. So for this one, 2, wrong. This is 3. And then this is 9. Holy cow. I was thinking of the top sides, not these sides here. This is 9966. This is 3322. So the perimeter of ABCD, perimeter of ABCD equals, and I should section these off, I should have changed colors here, is 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then the perimeter of A prime, B prime, B prime, B prime, the image, the notes I hate that they call it that, but 9, 18, 24, 30. Look at the perimeters when we divide image divided by pre-image. The perimeters ratio is equal to the scale factor originally thrown out there, or originally from when we compare all of those sides. That is an always. So the perimeters ratio is equal to what the scale factor was originally. Very simple concept. Now I do like this, and actually when I taught geometry in college, I did, but it was like a college geometry for people that might end up being elementary teachers, so just knowing the elementaries of it. Do you know that this area is 6 square units, or 6 units squared? Because I can count them. That's what area is. That's why the units are squared. Oh man, I'm giving you an area idea as well. There are 6 1-by-1 blocks that fill in that rectangle. That's why we say units squared when we do area. So the area of ABCD, okay, fine. You know area is length times width for a rectangle. Well, lo and behold, what's 3 times 2, everybody? 6 units. I lost my pen. I always love when that happens, just in the middle of writing. Just love it, just love it, just love it. And then area of A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Well, let's do that 9 times 6, 54. Because I really don't want to count blocks because there's a lot of them. How many blocks do you think they are? How many blocks are there? 1, 2, stop. There's 54 of them. If you go ahead and count, go ahead and pause the video and count all those blocks, and you'll see that happens. Oh no. Well, what happens when I take 54 divided by 6? That is equal to 9, which happens to be the scale factor of each side compared to each other, from image to pre-image, squared. And that's an always, man. You can lock it in. So if you have 2 figures that are similar, their areas will be different by the scale factor squared. So lock that in. That is something that the other teachers are teaching as well. It's a true story. And hopefully we can remember that. Okay.